Building a massive Warhammer 40K Hive City with AI, FreeCAD, OpenSCAD and Resin 3D printing. In this project, I set out to create a gigantic Warhammer 40,000 inspired Hive City using a combination of AI-assisted design. To contextualize the size, if the Burj Khalifa counts as a mid-tier building here, the Hive City's footprint and vertical volume reach truly staggering proportions, assuming 2 inhabitants per 20 square meters of residential space, upper Hive volumes doubling per major tier, 60 to 70% of internal volume dedicated to habitation, industry logistics, conservative estimate, 200 to 500 million residents, aggressive estimate, 1 to 3 billion residents. At full lore-compliant density, including lower Hive sublevels arcology stacking 5 to 10 billion becomes entirely plausible, matching canonical Hive World population brackets. The goal was not only to build a city full of towering Gothic skyscrapers, industrial districts, cathedral spires, bridges, platforms, and endless layers of urban density, but also to create something that truly captures the immense scale of a Hive world from the Warhammer 40K universe. Design process: the entire city began as a procedural OpenSCAD model generated and refined with the help of AI. This allowed me to rapidly create thousands of unique structures, including more than 1,500 skyscrapers, multiple platform levels, cathedral towers and spires, industrial pipe networks, skybridges and elevated transit routes, massive central Hive towers, orbital scale structural rings. Once the procedural city was generated, the model was imported into FreeCAD for further refinement and preparation for printing. Preparing for resin printing, one of the biggest challenges was making such a complex structure printable. Instead of relying entirely on automatically generated supports, I used a simple slicer workflow to integrate additional support structures directly into the model. These supports not only improved print stability but also became part of the city's architecture. A city in perpetual growth, much like the billions of souls crammed within its walls, this Hive City is never truly finished. It is in a state of perpetual, chaotic expansion, constantly building upward and outward to house its ever-increasing population. This extreme layered structure creates a stark and unforgiving divide in living conditions. The deepest lower levels are choked in perpetual darkness, completely exposed to the toxic, unfiltered smog and heavy exhaust of the endless industrial manufacturums. In stark contrast, the upper tiers, reserved for the nobility and high-ranking officials, still bask in relatively abundant natural daylight and breathe air that is, by Hive standards, almost pleasant. Large support columns, buttresses, industrial frameworks, and structural braces were incorporated into the design, adding realism while simultaneously improving print success rates. This approach transformed necessary printing supports into believable Hive City infrastructure. In a Hive world, the main Hive City is usually only one of many massive megastructures orbiting or spanning the planet. A single Hive world can host several Hive cities, often separated by vast, polluted wastelands or oceans of industrial wasteland. These cities are interconnected through trade, resource extraction, and constant industrial output that sustains the planetary economy. Industrial waste is typically dumped directly into the surrounding environment, leading to extreme levels of pollution. Over time, this renders large parts of the planet toxic, uninhabitable, and permanently scarred. Rivers become chemical sludge channels, skies are thick with smog, and entire regions collapse into dead zones where life can no longer be sustained. To ensure survival within the Hive structure, massive atmospheric purification systems operate continuously across all levels of the city. These air filtration and recycling networks are essential for maintaining breathable air, especially in the lower levels. However, maintenance in the deepest underhive zones is often irregular or entirely neglected due to the extreme danger, decay, and lack of resources. As a result, life expectancy in the underhive is extremely low. The combination of toxic air, contaminated water, structural instability, and constant violence creates a harsh survival environment. Many inhabitants of the lowest levels suffer from malnutrition, chronic disease, or environmental mutations caused by long-term exposure to industrial waste and chemical pollutants. This creates a stark divide within the Hive world. The upper spires thrive in relative order and technological comfort, while the lower levels struggle in near-apocalyptic conditions beneath them. Final thoughts: this project demonstrates how modern AI tools, procedural CAD design, and consumer 3D printing can be combined to create city-scale science fiction structures that would have been almost impossible to model manually. The result is a Hive City that feels ancient, industrial, overcrowded, and monumental, exactly as a city in the grim darkness of the far future should. If you enjoyed this project, consider liking the video and subscribing for more large-scale sci-fi engineering.